Hey guys, come tomorrow, come see the beautiful luxury outfits here we have made with aṣọ òfì. I mean the Ibile. This is Igbalode styles for our mommies, our daddies. You know, if you want to rock your Owambe party, come here. We are going to give you lovely designs. If you want to have it for your casual wears, we have different designs. Take a look at these joggers. We have it here, you know. So we put so much creativity to get all of this done. Please come patronize us tomorrow. Come for African Youth Tourism Festival tomorrow. We'll be waiting to see you all. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. These are caps. We have different designs, different colors. So we expect to see you guys tomorrow. Mommy, daddy, friends, family, come tomorrow. Come see. We have beautiful. Look at it. This is loom. This is loom tie. This is loom. We have different colors, you know. So these are the luxury fabrics, the designs made with aṣọ òfì as well. You will not regret getting anything from us, trust me. We have put so much creativity in all of this to get it done. Thank you. Bye.